Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer application. So let's first open the Play Store, and here into the search we'll enter the X Icon Changer. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. And now we can see here all the available applications, which icons we can change. For example, let's go with this one. We can click here to rename the app. I don't want to do that. Here we can see all the available folders with these icons. We can change them, or we can also use our device photos from the gallery, or we can take a picture right now in camera application. For example, let's go with this with the default icons. I'll use this one. Then just click here to OK on the right upper corner. Now just here we should click to add, and we can change the next icon by the same way. Now just let's go back to the applications here, and we can see the look of new icons of the contacts app here. So let's just see the difference here between them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.